Attempt made number 2. Checking out the place, thinking about trying to fly. Oh, there he goes. Almost. He made it about halfway up the fence. Not quite. But hello, little guy. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. See, we got her. I'm holding her real gently. I'm barely touching her. It's pretty much just perched on my fingers. See, let me put her back up here. Just gently get her, kind of encourage her to put her feet up there. Take my hand away. This is encouraging perching. Gets her good and ready to be up in the trees and the bushes and the branches where she belongs, instead of on the ground. He will be flying away soon. He makes it over that fence. You make it over that fence, we'll be in trouble, huh? Oh, he's gonna make another try for it, I think. You gonna make another try for it? I wouldn't do that if I were you. It's pretty good far try. Try the back of the chair instead. There we go. Aquarium I got it on. She wasn't found in this area. I do believe over there in that tree, there's a bird chirping back at her. I wonder if it's a mama bird. They are known to take care of others' youngs every now and then.